Brett, tell us a little bit about Peerless Machine and where they're located and exactly what they do.
Yeah, so they're located here in Marion, Indiana. Peerless was established in 1922. They built the first paper converting machine in the United States. They have equipment and machines running in 41 different countries, and nearly every paper plate that's made in the world comes from a Peerless machine.
Talking with Peerless Machine, what was their greatest challenge?
I think one of their biggest challenges over the last 4 or 5 years has been succession planning. They explored selling to other manufacturers, selling to private equity groups, selling to their employees through an ESOP transaction, which is ultimately what they decided to do.
Tell us a little bit about what a ESOP advantage would be.
So first off, an ESOP is an employee stock ownership plan. It transitions ownership of the company and the company's assets to the employee base.
So who all benefits from that plan?
I think everybody involved benefits. Former ownership of the company, the Carson and the Conrad family, it gave them a way to exit out of the business. I think the employees benefit greatly by taking over that ownership of the company. And I think the community of Marion ultimately benefits as well. They're a pretty large manufacturing employer.
Tell me, Brett, how was STAR's approach to this transaction different than another financial institutions?
Well, I think one thing that makes STAR very different is we know going in, nobody has the same need. A cookie cutter product is not going to work for every relationship and every deal, and we know that.
So what's the current status of Peerless, and how did the ESOP impact them?
The current status is they're 100% owned by their employees. But I think furthermore, it solidified their legacy as a company and as a family, really provided for their employee base in a very, very meaningful way.